Hey you guys, it's Chris. So today's video is gonna be short and sweet. You know, this Vlogmas thing is kind of kicking my butt. But you know what? It's been kind of fun. It's challenging me to, I guess, share more and be a little more open with you guys and get to know you guys a little bit better. But anyway, I need a haircut. Usually I will get my hair reshaped, get my fro reshaped every like 3 to 4 months or so. And the last time I got it done, I think was in September, let me see. But my next appointment was in January, on January the 13th. But I think I'm overdue because like when my shape grows out, it just makes styling a lot harder and it's just ugly. I'm thinking about actually going to a different hair salon. There's nothing wrong with the woman who cuts my hair now. She does a great job, but I just wanted to try something different. So I am Black Girl Curls, the two ladies who coined the 30-day hair detox. They actually have a directory of stylists who have been trained by them, and they're referred to as cutted kinky stylists. I'll insert some pictures here, but there is a salon I want to go to. The salon owner's name is Judy, and I've just been stalking her work on Instagram, and I messaged her about a month ago, but of course she wasn't accepting new clients then. But today, the funny thing is, yesterday I was actually looking at the Cutted Kinky directory because I'm willing to drive. Let me tell y'all something about me. I will drive for food and I will drive to get my hair done. Like I was looking at maybe salons with Cutted Kinky stylists in maybe Alabama or, you know, North Carolina, you know, Florida. Just, you know, it'd be cool. And I know that sounds like a lot for a haircut, but you have to think about this. Again, I only get my hair cut like every 3 to 4 months, so that's only like 4 times a year. So yeah, today Judy made a post saying that we could send an email if you needed an appointment, which is great because like I said yesterday, I've been considering, you know, going ahead and maybe trying to find another salon because when I show y'all, I'll show you if I'm able to get the haircut in the next few weeks. I'll vlog it if she'll allow me to, or I'll at least show you guys a before and after. But like my haircut was it's looking raggedy. It's growing out. The only thing is with trying a new, you know, salon, a new person cutting your hair is, you know, you got to be on the same page about how much to cut off, you know. And I know a haircut is a haircut. If I'm getting it shaved, I am going to get it cut. So kind of like a diva cut, it's the same sort of expectations, but a Cutted Kinky stylist is trained with kinky hair. And really, like, your shape can really make or break everything. The only thing is these haircuts can be quite expensive, ranging from $200 to $500. That's for like a first client service. I've been looking at some of the directories, some of the prices for some of the ladies. Judy's isn't too much, but you know what? It's worth it because number one, they have the education, they know what they're gonna do. And if you think about it, every 3 to 4 months, you know, some people pay to get their hair done every 2 weeks. They'll spend that much, or they'll spend more on like, you know, weaves or sew-ins or installs and stuff like that. So it's really about the same thing. Like, yeah, up front it's a lot of money, but over time it's still less expensive. Like people like to say that natural hair is so expensive, but it's really not. It can be about the same or cheaper really if you look at it like that. Another reason I'm willing to pay whatever the cost is because over the years, every year or so, you know, I keep telling myself I'm not going to trim any of my hair at all. I'm not going to even trim a single bang, and like I just mess myself up every time. So that's why, you know what, whatever the cost is, I realize at this point in my hair journey, at this point in my life, cutting hair is not for me. Cutting my own hair is not for me. Trimming my own hair is not for me. Like I remember there was one time I caught myself twisting my hair up and dusting my ends, and then I had like a mullet. And that was a hair setback, you know, so let me just leave it to the professionals. I did a wash and go yesterday and it was looking so raggedy and busted because number one, I had been using my Rev. I can do a video showing you guys. No, I don't want to do that. Never mind, I lied. I'll maybe another time, not for Vlogmas. But I used heat on my hair. I used the Rev reverse air dryer, and I think I may have like used it a little too long. I did like the worst thing ever. I didn't use any kind of heat protectant. So it takes a few washes after that to get my curls back popping the way I like. So my wash and go yesterday, I put it in a puff for the gym today, and it was just raggedy still. So I washed my hair again today and put it in these twists. So I'm patiently waiting to hear the results, to hear if I can get an appointment. So more on that later. But that's all for today. I just wanted to check in and say hey to you guys, give you guys a hair update. I know this started as like a hair channel and I do other things from time to time. but just checking in. In the comments down below, let me know if you guys trim your own hair, if you're good at trimming your own hair, or if you go to a professional. And if you do go to a professional, what's the most you would be willing to spend for a nice haircut? As for always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.